Radhika Merchant ignores Akash Ambani's hands not once, not twice, but 3 times. People are saying Akash was being way too touchy and that Radhika seems clearly uncomfortable. Even Akash's wife Shloka looked completely thrown off. She was confused, upset, and maybe even embarrassed. So what's really happening between Akash, Shloka and Radhika? And why is the internet convinced Akash Ambani is getting a little too close to his sister-in-law? At the grand launch of Bollywood, Akash walked in with wife Shloka and sister-in-law Radhika Merchant by his side. The trio entered hand in hand, but the sweet moment quickly turned awkward when Radhika jerked her hand away and refused to take it back. It looked like she was bothered by Akash holding her hand, but instead of stepping back, Akash doubled down, sliding his hand onto Radhika's waist. And that's when viewers completely lost it. They found it very weird and creepy, so they wrote comments like, "Creepy guy holding his sister-in-law in an inappropriate way. I feel something is so different between Shloka's husband and Radhika. I would advise brother to not touch or hold hands with sister-in-law. It is bad image for public harassment." Well, this wasn't even the first time. Akash has been called out for his overly touchy behavior with Radhika Merchant. During Radhika and Anand's haldi ceremony, Akash was spotted rubbing haldi on Radhika's belly like this. The clip went viral with people calling it disgusting. One user wrote, "Akash seriously needs to stop hovering around Radhika." Another bluntly called him a prick, while some tried to defend him, saying the two grew up together, that it's just family comfort as they have practically grown up together. But it's not just about Akash. Even Mukesh Ambani, the head of the family, got dragged into controversy. In one viral video, Mukesh was seen pulling Radhika closer for a picture. The way he did it looked very awkward. After the video was released, people really felt pity for Radhika. So, whether it's Akash holding hands or Mukesh pulling her in, the Ambanis just can't seem to escape awkward headlines whenever Radhika is involved. Now, the big question here is this simply a family bond that the cameras misread? Or is there something more that the Ambanis don't want the world to see? Did Bashir just call Big Boss 19 fake and unfair?
सबसे पहले जो मुझे कहा गया था वहाँ पे कि आप इस हफ्ते एविक्ट होते हैं because of lack of votes is pure.
Yes, Bashir Ali got evicted from the Big Boss house, and it was a shocking eviction for his fans, the whole Big Boss contestants, and the host Salman Khan.
Really?
I'm quite shocked myself.
कोई नहीं सर।
लेकिन ये वोटों के आधार पर आप दोनों को सबसे कम वोट्स मिले हैं, तो दोनों ही आज घर से बेघर हो रहे हैं।
In the video, it's clearly mentioned that the real reason behind the eviction was lack of votes, but after eviction, Bashir does not agree with that statement.
सबसे पहले जो मुझे कहा गया था वहाँ पे कि आप इस हफ्ते एविक्ट होते हैं because of lack of votes is pure. Numbers speak for themselves. Statistics हमारे सामने हैं. जिस हफ्ते मैं बॉस मीटर जीता हूँ, जिस हफ्ते मैं मंत्री ऑफ द वीक जीता हूँ, उसी हफ्ते में एविक्ट हो गया हूँ। ये वही लोग हैं जो वोट दे रहे हैं गाइस, ये वही लोग हैं जो मुझे ये सब जिता रहे हैं, ये कॉन्टेस्ट्स, ये सारे पोल्स, ये वही लोग हैं जो वोट कर रहे हैं। तो हाउ कैन आई गेट लेस वोट्स?
He even claimed by the rules there was supposed to be just one eviction that night, but he and Nehal got evicted at the same time, which was shocking for everyone. Many of his fans thought he was a winning contestant and would easily secure a place in the top 5. But sadly, the audience was left in shock, after which they have flooded the internet with a demand to bring Bashir back in the show. While some said the show is over for them, as Bashir is no more in the show, many said Bashir should enter the show as a wild card entry. Well, if you are Bashir's fan, you will be very happy to know that Bashir has confirmed that if he ever gets invited back to Big Boss 19, he would happily join the show, as he is still under contract and will obey every demand of the show. But what do you guys think? Do you think Bashir's eviction was unfair? And do you want to see him back in the show? Well, let us know.